Welcome to my market stall. You probably know the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Well, basing your diet on various plant foods is a great first step to eating well and reducing your cancer risk. A variety of non-starchy vegetables and fruits may protect against various forms of cancer. More specifically, there's limited evidence that greater consumption of non-starchy vegetables decreases the risk of developing cancer in the head and neck region, the lung, and the breast. Examples of non-starchy vegetables are green leafy vegetables, broccoli, and eggplant. Limited evidence also suggests that fruit consumption decreases the risk of developing cancers of the esophagus and the lung. So in general, fruits and vegetables can help us directly through the substances they contain. And these substances may favorably influence the cancer process. Vegetables and fruits provide a complex mixture of nutrients, such as vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds. Experimental studies link many of these compounds to anti-carcinogenic effects in various cells, in both cell culture and animal models. We are still unsure which of these substances is involved in this process. There's no conclusive evidence proving that one specific fruit or vegetable can protect against cancer. They might all contribute to any cancer protective effect. It is probably the combination of these compounds that help reduce the risk of certain cancer, rather than one specific anti-cancer compound. Therefore, it's best to eat a variety of fruits and vegetables every day. So overall, a greater intake of fruit and non-starchy vegetables probably protects against a number of aerodigestive cancers and some other cancers. It's important to avoid very low intakes of these foods. The evidence suggests that especially people with no or low intake have the greatest risk to develop cancer. While we are not sure how exactly fruits and vegetables can protect against cancer, we are far more confident about the beneficial effects of whole grain and dietary fiber. So let's go over to the bakery. Consumption of whole grains and foods containing dietary fiber probably protects against colorectal cancer. Dietary fiber is mostly found in unprocessed cereals, vegetables, fruits, and pulses. There are two types of dietary fiber, soluble and insoluble. Fruits, vegetables, and beans mainly contain the soluble fibers, but the fiber most strongly linked to colorectal cancer prevention is insoluble fiber. That comes from other plant foods, such as bread and cereals. People who eat more brown or whole grain bread or brown rice have a decreased risk of colorectal cancer. This may be because fiber helps to move food more quickly through the bowel and prevents insulin resistance. These are examples of direct effects of fiber. Eating a diet rich in whole grains, vegetables, fruits and fiber can also help us indirectly to help maintain a healthy body weight. They are rich in nutrients but low in energy density. People who eat more of these foods have a lower risk to become overweight or obese, which is an important risk factor for at least 10 different types of cancer. So, taking all this together, the World Cancer Research Fund provides the following recommendation. Eat a diet rich in whole grains, vegetables, fruits and beans. And make whole grains, vegetables, fruits and pulses or legumes, such as beans and lentils, a major part of your usual daily diet. Globally, the consumption of these foods is lower than generally recommended. Let's improve this now. What would you like to buy at my bakery? Or would you rather visit my stall?